Hello everyone, welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, like, subscribe.
Anyone remember how to burn sugar the traditional way? First, you are going to put a pot on the fire to get hot, and then you throw in some oil. So when the oil is hot, which is like now, you add some sugar to it. Now you're going to stay and let that sugar burn. Let it burn. I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. I'll show you what it looks like now. That's the process, guys. And just take it into bottles. And just mix it. So guys, as you see, it's going to bubble. So as you could see, it's not sticky, so it's ready. That's how you burn sugar. So now I'm going to turn up the stove before it burns to that, and then it's bitter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.